Hi guys, good morning everyone. We are heading out for a walk around the cabin. ประมาณ7-9 โมงเดี๋ยวนี้พ่อแม่พี่น้องสิพากันไปย่างเนาะ Let's see what kind of trail we got. So, yes, just me and my husband. It's pretty steep. You have to be careful. Ooh, we don't have the right shoes. At least I don't have the right shoes. I have regular sneakers on. You got hiking?
No, my work boots.
Oh, you didn't bring your hiking shoes. I thought you bought it. All right, let's keep going. But first we got to get down this hill. Let's take a look at our cabin from here. And there's the cabin where we stay. Yeah, maybe not. And here's another cabin. You could be and you could see the little stream down there. All right, let's keep walking. I think we're gonna do like what, a mile walk?
You do back, just go back and come back. That's a mile.
Yeah.
If you want to do more, the whole loop.
We'll see. So it goes in circle then, right?
Yeah.
So there's no way you could like get yourself lost then.
The big road.
The only way it would be inconvenient is if you go off the gravel. In terms of walking, we'll be fine.
See, I think that path that we have, I think came down over.
It's not as clear. So this road only take you up to our cabin then?
Yeah. But there is one neighbor also.
Yeah. What's the temperature right now? At least 670, yeah? 60 around there. Now onlyนึงพ่อแม่พี่น้องแต่คันเฮาแบบว่าเริ่มย่างเฮิงเลยคงสิหอน Be careful. It's pretty steep road. The sun is out. The sun is out. Now, where do we come? We came straight from there.
That's the road that we have gone.
Could have gone, right?
Yeah,
if we have took this one, we would come straight here, but instead we went that way. Yeah. We came from there. ว่านี่พ่อแม่พี่น้องเพื่อสิมาฮอดบอนอยู่เนาะบอนพักค่ะนะพวกขน่อยแบบว่าลงทางเอาไปทางที่มันบ่มีแบบก้อนหินแบบสินะก็เลยแบบว่าเพื่อสิออกมาจากคนทางเพิ่นโอ้ยากขนาด So this is the road that we came yesterday and that was not the right road. Go across it.พ่อแม่พี่น้องสิพาไปเบิ่งคนทางที่พวกขน่อยมาเนาะบนหนทางตอนมา It doesn't look too bad when you're walking on it. Yep, see how if you were driving down here, it would have been really bumpy and very kind of scary, I think, because we had the truck and I was just afraid that we might go off. Not sure how padded down the ground is. But I think it'll be hard to get down here when it starts raining Wednesday. It'll be very muddy.
Well, you don't cut this road, it'll be okay.
That's the thing. But I think this road, people travel on it though.
4-wheel drive needed. Danger.
Look at this, guys. Yeah. 4-wheel drive needed. It has a warning already, see? So our car was not made for this road.
Because it came down, it was okay.
Going up, it would not be possible. Yeah. Let's look down. We were traveling down here. So going down, our car would be okay, but if we were to go up, back this road, I don't think we could make it up there. ปล่อยลูก2 คนนอน พ่อกับแม่ออกมาอย่าง exercise. There's another road going down. There's someone's cabin too. Good thing I didn't bring my jacket. I'm starting to feel the heat now. Yang couldn't heal. We didn't even bring water, honey. Huh? That's not good. Whew. You gave me a workout for sure. Oh, here's where we. This one would have been okay.
This is not the one that I told you to get off. The one until you get off is curved.
Yeah.
It's still bad though.
Yeah. Yep, guys. This is where we took the route yesterday. Kids and I were holding on to our dear life. Actually, it was just me and Edward. Abby was calm. Let's take a look at how steep it is. See that? It's pretty steep. Whew.
No way my truck get up here.
Huh?
No way my truck can get up.
Nope, there's no way you will make it up here
We
with
got
your
lucky.
truck. Oh yeah.
We got lucky we went downhill.
Look at this, guys. It doesn't look too bad looking up, but if you're looking down, it's pretty steep. This is where our car drove down yesterday. There's this big old rock. Let me show you. See, this is where our car went down. Now we have just a regular truck, not a 4-wheel truck. I'm gonna walk backward. Huh? This is a scary part. It's like riding a mini roller coaster yesterday. See that? I don't know, somehow the video doesn't look like it's that steep, but if you were here in person and actually experienced the driving, you will know. You can't really tell from the video. It doesn't look too bad. But this is probably our wheel tire, huh? Yep. I stopped recording when we got down this trail because it was too scary. I got more nervous, so I didn't record.
Concerned with. That's why I told you to get off the road.
Mm-hmm.
Get off the car.
Yeah. Yep, this is where I had to get down and help him guide the car so it doesn't fall to the left or wheel. Yeah, let's go. Hi, doggy. Hi, doggy. We got company. เรือเมื่อยแล้วพ่อแม่พี่น้องกันยางมาใกล้เติบอยู่เด้กระบอกไก่นะแต่มันเป็นหนทางไปแบบเอี่ยวแล้วก็ขึ้นเนินนะแล้วก็ somebody's property?
I think so.
Okay.
You go back around.
Oh, be careful, that's dog poop right there. Alright, we're going up. You can't really tell from the video, but it's really steep, guys. It's another workout. So this will take us in circle. Did you actually come up here?
No, I went the other way.
So you didn't come up this way then?
We came down that way. Because that's somebody's house.
Up we go. Guys, we just finished walking all the way up here. I'm exhausted. Continue to walk more up the steep. We are heading back down.
Detour all the way up over here.
Yeah. Heading back down to where we started. Because the road up, we don't really know where that's taking us. And we did not bring a single bottle of water. So don't want to exhaust ourselves too much. So, yep. Heading back, guys. Not too bad going down the hill now. We had to go up. That. It's a workout. สิกลับไปบอนเริ่มใหม่พ่อแม่พี่น้องเพราะว่าบ่ได้เอาน้ำก็เลยบ่อยากไปไกลปานนั้นนะย่านหิวน้ำแห้ง Down. Walk down. We made it back to our cabin. Finally. We did about close to 2 miles. 2-mile walk. หอดบนพักเลยพ่อแม่พี่น้องเพื่อจะมาหอดอยากกินน้ำแห้งนะหิวน้ำ It's a good workout today. We did 2 miles.